Hi guys, this is Mr. Manal. Welcome to my channel Spydata Science. So the main purpose of creating this channel is to educate all the Python as well as data enthusiasts to have a good knowledge of Python as well as SQL, data science, machine learning, and all of those things. We will be first starting with Python, and for that we'll first download the IDE required as well as the Python versions required. So without a further ado, let's get started. So in this video, we'll be downloading Python as well as PyCharm. I'm having Windows machine, so I'll be using this download Python for Windows. Go to python.org. So here you can see download Python 3.9.5. It is the latest version. It is your choice to select 3.8 or 3.6. But like if you are starting now, you can select the latest version. I'll download this version. So now it is downloaded. I'll click here. I'll install it. So basically, I have installed it already in my machine. You can basically click on like I'll click on modify. So yeah, I'll be selecting these texts. Click on next. Add Python to environment variables. This is important. You need to check this so that you can use this Python version directly to PyCharm or any other IDE. So I'll check this. I'll click on install. So yeah, this is installed successfully. So now we'll be downloading PyCharm. PyCharm is an IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is basically used to write codes and basically debugging of those code and all of those things. So yeah, we'll go to PyCharm. So yeah, we have two options, professional or community. You will be selecting this one. This is open source as well as free. Click download. It will get downloaded. PyCharm has been downloaded successfully. Now what we'll be doing is installing this. See, it has been installed successfully. You can click on reboot now. For now, I'm clicking I'll reboot later. So yeah, PyCharm has been installed successfully. Just to check whether it is working fine, we go to PyCharm. Just click close. I've created my first project with name my first project. I'll create a file, new Python file. Hello.py. So yeah, this is my Python file. I'll just create a simple statement for more programs. You have to follow my videos, which I'll be posting later on. But for now, I will just check it whether it is working fine or not. So before you write anything, you would just need to check whether your Python is installed, like Python is attached to this PyCharm or not. For that, what you need to do is just click Control Alt S. You'll have to open this Python interpreter. You have to select an interpreter. For me, it is selected Python 3.8. I'll click OK. Now, what I'll do is just print world. To run this program, I'll right click and click on run. Yeah, here it is printed hello world. We are finally done with installing Python as well as PyCharm. Now I'll be installing Anaconda. So for the people who are interested in doing this like coding exercises on PyCharm, Jupyter notebooks, so they can install Anaconda. For that, I'll just go to install Anaconda individual edition. Individual edition. Click download. So you have different options here. I am using Windows. I'll select 64-bit graphical installer. It is downloaded successfully. I'll just now install it. Click next. I agree. The screen. Next. Add Python path. Yeah, you have to select this one. Add Anaconda as my default. Okay. Click install. It'll take a few minutes to install. Just wait. Finally, it has downloaded successfully, installed successfully. Finish. So yeah, it has been installed successfully. What we'll do is we'll open Anaconda prompt. So this is the base environment. The concept of environment in Python is like we have different projects which use a particular set of packages. So this environment thing basically like alienates one environment to another so that a project only use those particular packages which are important to that particular project. So we'll install a few packages. Pip install, or you can use conda install. Pip install pandas numpy. I'll be installing these two libraries in the space environment. You can also use conda install pandas space numpy. So these two have been installed. I'll also install Jupyter. So instead of pip, I will use conda install. Conda install Jupyter. You can also use pip, but just to show you like how conda install command works, I'm just doing this. It has been installed. I'll write Jupyter. Yeah, it's now opened. Go to desktop. Go to, I'll click new folder. It's my new folder, new folder. I'll click new Python 3. So what it does is like it creates a new Python file named untitled.ipynb. IPYNB is extension for Jupyter Notebook, IPython Notebook. So yeah, these are just to make you understand what this Jupyter Notebook is. Like this is basically you can say an ID, or you can see an environment where you can run different programs in cells. So these are cells. These are the different options which we have. You can rename it new. So we'll be writing the same program that we have written in PyCharm. Print hello. So So you can hit Shift Enter just to run this particular cell. It will print hello world. So these are the different cells. You can select it as a code, or you can also select it as a markdown. What markdown does is like it is basically used to give a heading to your particular part of cell. So like I give new, I select this as markdown. I'll hit Shift Enter. Wait a second. So yeah, these are the different options. If you have installed Jupyter Notebook, you have installed PyCharm, you have installed Python. So yeah, if you like this video, click like button, hit subscribe, and press the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.